Hello everybody, this is Lego_lover, and today I will be showing you a basic level on Mecabricks.com how to do rendering. This is all done on Mecabricks.com, and I have used this website in a lot of my past videos, including a lot of my render videos, so today I'll be showing you how I make some of those and how to make your own renders. So first you need an object to render, so I'll just pull up my minifigure now. Okay, here he is. I'm sorry. And now I'm just going to hit 1 on my keypad and it'll bring me to the front view. So now that we have this in our viewport view, we can now switch over from design to 3D rendering. And the interface that brings up is, or can look quite complicated at first, but I'll show you what everything means here. So first, we have lighting, and actually let's go to the camera view right now. This is a tip. Whenever you're rendering, make sure you go to lock camera to view. So, for example, if I turn this off and move all around, then it won't be in the camera view. But this is what the camera really sees, but this is just you viewing all around. But if you hit lock camera to view, then this will lock your render view or your viewport view to whatever the camera sees. So that is how your final render will turn out. So first we have lighting. So these are all of the options. There are 26 options to be exact as of now. So first, let's switch it from the default to this one. So as you can see, they all have different effects. This is all HDRI lighting packs. So depending on how you turn the figure and the viewport view, the light is reflecting off of different parts as you move. So there are 26 of these to try out. As you can see, this one also looks nice. Here's one of my favorites. And I'm going to switch it back to the white lighting. And what you can do with this is rotate the reflection of the lighting and change the exposure. I'm going to reset it. And over here is the emission. I will explain this in a video later on. This will probably be in the intermediate level. Now second in the middle tab, we have floor, which I use a lot. So if you click the checkbox, it brings up a white floor. And the figure is just about level with it. It's pretty close though. We can change the scale to change how big it is, and we can change the rotation. As you can see, it does rotate the floor. It doesn't do much effect. Sometimes it changes how the reflection bounces off of the floor on different settings, but I'll get to that later. And over here we have the roughness. So if you have like a deep blue color, they'll look almost just like the color you have selected there. Here we have the IOR level, which we can adjust. I'll just leave that at 2. And finally, we have the background. So if we click the checkbox, right here, you can click the different, or through the different colors. So we can go with that for now. I'm going to scale up my floor right there. And you can change this to an image, but once you click here, you have to select your own file, but I'm just going to go with color right now. Next, we have cropping. So if you want it to just look something like this, or you can bring down the height, but sometimes that will mess with the cropping and it doesn't like you doing that, but if you turn it down, then that's also how you make cinematic cropping renders, but I'm going to put it back at the default, and I would recommend turning down width instead. So there we go. Here is a pretty nice looking render. This is basically all of the basic level. So this is it. And you can go to the render tab and you can this is the render tab and you can scroll down and click the render button. As you will see, I have not yet named this, but you can change that after you've downloaded. And do remember, all of these renders are free. At the end, it has a price value, but that is only what the creator of Mecabricks is paying for. You pay nothing for this, but you have a limit of 10 free renders per day. You may get unlimited, but you have to pay whatever the price is, which is only a little bit, but I just wanted to say that. Okay, now that our render is done, we go over to download, and now we double click on this zip file, and it unzips this file. So now we can, if you want, you can get rid of this zip. We already unzipped it, so you can move that to trash or something. So now we have this, which is the file. We can rename that. We can name that to test render. So that's what we have. So that is the basic level of rendering. I hope you all enjoyed this. This was a very short video, but I think it would help others to understand the basics of Mecabricks.com rendering. And this is on Mecabricks.com/workshop. So this is in the workshop view. And that's it for basic rendering. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day.